Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of our videos for Harrow School. This is another 13 plus entrance exam question found in Harrow School's maths paper. So it says a farmer ties his goat to the outside corner of the shed in his field. The shed is a square shaped in plan view with each side 3 meters. If the length of the rope attaching the goat to the shed is 1 meter, then find the area of the grazed of the ground that the goat can graze rather. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's see how we can do this. So I'm going to quickly draw a picture of the shed, right, in plan view. That's the shed, and I know that's 3 meters because it says each side is 3 meters in the actual question. And then I'm going to quickly draw maybe a rope of some sort, maybe here. That's my 1 meter rope, and you've got the goat at the end of that. Okay, right. So I can kind of think about this and think, well, if it's a 1 meter rope, that means it can kind of extend, right? It can go this way or all the way here. And that's about the area that we're looking for this goat, right? That's the area that the goat can kind of graze. So with that in mind, it's looking like it's a kind of a circle, right? Ignore the little part in the middle there. There we are. So circle, but a quarter of that circle is going to be missing because of the shed. So that means we're going to work out the area of a circle. What's the area of a circle? Do we know that? Area of a circle is pi r squared. So if the area of a circle is pi r squared, we've got a circle here which has a meter radius. So that means we're going to have pi times 1 meter squared. That will give us the area of the whole circle though, right? We don't want the whole circle. We want to have a circle that has the area of a circle of 1 meter, but at the same time we also want to take away this quarter, right? This section is not necessary because obviously can't graze there, right? So that means it's a quarter, right? Because there's 90 degrees. That's a quarter of the whole circle. So really I want 3/4 of what this is. 1 squared is 1, so it's just 3/4 of pi. So if for question A we can keep it as pi, we can write A equals 3/4 pi. That's our final answer. For B, if we know that pi is equal to 3.14159, we can multiply that, we can multiply by 3 divided by 4, find 3/4 of pi. But I think most sensible schools will allow you to keep it in this format, in giving your answer in terms of pi. So for A, that's my answer, 3/4 pi. The other, that's the area that it can pi, it's meters or centimeters? Meters, right? It can't be centimeters. It doesn't make sense. Meters squared, right? So 3/4 pi meters squared is the area that the goat can graze. However, if instead the rope is 4 meters, then we're going to have 3/4 of pi times r squared, and r in this case is 4, the radius is going to be 4, so it's going to be 3/4 times pi times 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16, so 3/4 of 16 you can think of, or you could do 3 times pi and 16, so you can do 3 times pi times 4 squared over 4, 3/4. So 4 squared is 16, and so 16 divided by 4 is going to be 4. 3 times 4 is 12. You're left with 12 pi. So for part B, we've got 12 pi as our final answer. So 12 pi meters squared is the area the goat can graze if the rope is 4 meters, and 3/4 pi meters squared is the area that the goat can graze if the length of the actual rope is only 1 meter. So hopefully that's made a lot more sense to you for this question. Have a look at our previous questions, and hopefully in our future we're going to add a few more questions from Harrow School as well. See you in our next video. Take care everyone. Bye.